Hello, welcome to the Paybox website. I will be demonstrating how you can certify your documents on blockchain. Firstly, you will be prompted to log in on this website. You can first go to sign up, enter your details, create, and you will be sent a verification link to your email. After that, go to login, put in your login details. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Go ahead and choose a file from your system. I will choose this particular file. It's a certificate of appreciation. A document hash will be generated of your particular document. Next thing you'll have to do is select a blockchain service. You can either create or request for a certified copy. Create and create certified, it's the same thing. So if you create certified, next thing you have to do is select a document subject. If your document is a license document, you click on that. If it's information, agreement, disagreement, contract, whatever it is, to scroll through this, you will have to select something and click on the up or down arrow buttons and scroll through this. So if it's an order, click on that, press on OK. So here is what you see. Your document will be sent to a separate email address, which you will be typing it over here. So since your blockchain service is certified, this is the message that will be sent to the developer. It says, "Dear sir, the provided document is certified on blockchain. The hash of the document is provided. The recorded hash in blockchain is tamper-proof. Regards." This is the message. This is the message and the description of the document. You can it's optional for you to name your document. Let me just name it Certificate of Appreciation. Click on the email ID you will like to receive your document details in, and click on submit. There will be an email sent about instructions. This is what you will see on your email. You will receive the validation code, the subject and the message of the document, a blockchain address, and two codes, an activation and a validation link code. After that, just head over to records. You will have to reload this page. So now after refresh, since we have not got our records yet, you will have to reload the page as instructed over here. So we can just reload the page and go to records. So this is what the records have. Our document number. This will document all the things that is generated. When you click on notification, this is exactly what you will have received on your email. Next, you'll have to head over to activate, and to activate your blockchain address would be pasted by default over here. Yep, it's exactly the same blockchain address. Next, you'll have to check the status of your activation thing. Your activation thing is unconfirmed. So basically, your activation will take place in 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll come back. Now activation is when after 15 minutes, or usually before that itself, your activation will be done, and your next step is to validate. So you head over to validate and you enter your validator email ID. That is the email ID you gave earlier. You will be able to see your validation code from your email ID or the notification you saw on the previous page. So I'll head over to my email ID and copy paste my validation code, which is this, and then click on validate. The next thing you'll have to do is head over to records. After validating, you'll have to verify. So when you go and verify, you will see that there's a tax ID that has been generated. So you'll have to press on load, and a validator hash will be generated. Now to verify a document on blockchain, you have to choose ideally the same document you had uploaded previously. Just for example, I will choose a random document and I'll try to verify it. The document hash does not match, meaning the verification fails. So you'll have to choose the same document you are trying to certify. In my case, it's this. Now verification hash is matching and I have passed the verification. Now the last step is to verify validator on blockchain. So validation code also matching, everything I've passed. After verification, head over to records, and ideally you should get the certificate button directly. Otherwise, you can head over to the verification page or validation page and click on status, and you will be able to get the certificate link button directly. That's if it's not an ideal situation. So click on certificate, and voila, this is your certificate of blockchain. This is the hash code, and now from the certifier side, your job is pretty much done. And if anyone who is required to verify your document, all they have to do is either you use this QR code and verify, or use this verification link to verify. So they will pretty much have to do the same thing, where they'll be directed to this page and they'll have to press on load. They'll get the validator hash and they'll have to upload the exact same document to verify your document. They will know that the point of verification is to see whether this document exists on blockchain or not. So verify the document and it passes. Therefore it means that your certificate exists on blockchain, and this is your certificate of blockchain. Thank you for watching.